Sucker's gone. Hey, man. All right, David, just stay there. Cover your ears.
Bitch, flip over.
All right, get back, David.
Yeah, bitch, I think so. We gotta pick it up.
You gotta like get behind and watch him like.
Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Do a countdown to make it more intense.
I'm gonna do a countdown.
3.
2, 1.
Oh shit!
Did you hear that?
Dude. God damn!
That cooler's gone.
Somebody go
That
take
cooler.
a piece of that cooler.
Dude, that was intense on my ears, man.
I felt it in my chest.
Right? I did too. It didn't feel like.
Dude, that bitch was hot.
That was a big ass.